Welcome to week 42 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 41 weeks, I have invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parag Flexi Cap Fund. Let's take a quick look at how they are performing. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is up 1% with a CAGR of 1%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 2% with a CAGR of 3%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 13% with a CAGR of 28%. And Parag Flexi Cap Fund is up 12% with a CAGR of 24%. My overall portfolio is up 2% with a CAGR of 4%. For perspective, Sensex itself is down 1.5% with a CAGR of negative 1.7% since I started this journey on October 14th, 2024. So yes, my portfolio is quietly outperforming the benchmark, not by luck, but by consistent disciplined investing. Coming to this week's investment, I added a new player to the mix. I invested in Invesco India Mid Cap Fund, keeping the investment amount the same as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I have added another 1000 rupees this week. And why Invesco India Mid Cap Fund? That's because mid caps are hitting up, and they are often sweet spot between growth and stability. And recent market trends suggest mid caps could be entering a strong phase. This isn't just about chasing returns. It's about building a resilient, diversified portfolio that can weather market swings and compound over time. If you found this video helpful, like this video. Drop a comment, what fund would you pick? Share this video with someone who's just starting out. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss week 43. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again next week.